relations. The word relation used here has the same usual meaning which we use in our everyday life. By a relation we mean something like friendship, marriage, parenthood, etc. Is the father of, is the brother of, is the friend of are relations over the set of human beings. Let us consider an example. Let A is equal to a set of Swara, Lisa, Ramisha and Kyra, and B is a set of Kia, Mia, Myra and Nisha. Here the relation will be is the friend of between the elements of the sets A and B. That is, Swara is the friend of Nisha, Lisa is the friend of Myra, Ramisha is the friend of Kia and Kyra is the friend of Mia.